According to executives from Google Cloud, Web3 is solving real-world business problems. What does that mean? We're going to talk about it here in a second. Welcome back to the Blockhash Podcast channel. Make sure to check out our sponsor, NITROBETTING. They are the top Bitcoin betting site online where you can bet on sports books, race books, casino games, video games, nearly anything. It's your crypto. Have fun with it. Check out all the links in the description below and go to nitrobetting.eu to see all the action. Also, check out our Patreon. We do chart analysis Monday through Friday, where you can learn more about TA around the crypto market. So check that out if that's something that you're interested in. All right, let's dive into this article. Then I will give you my thoughts at the end. As always, the crypto industry is far too focused on token prices rather than figuring out how smart contracts can be used to solve real-world business problems, according to Google Cloud's Web3 lead. In an interview with Cointelegraph, Google Cloud's head of Web3, James Tromans, stressed the need to focus more on the business logic in the smart contract rather than the supply and demand dynamics of the token. He's quoted saying, "What are the business problems that you want to get executed? When you're running a smart contract to execute some business logic to solve your business problem, you're using a token, but the token is not the thing. It's the business problem that's the thing." I would like us to get away from all this talk about tokens and token speculation is if that is Web3, that is not Web3. I tend to agree with that. I think tokens have a place, but Web3 and smart contracts, those things are so much bigger in terms of the problems they solve than just creating tokens. So I like that he's thinking beyond the olive tree here. So one of Google Cloud's main blockchain services is its blockchain node engine, which offers users a self-hosted node to access blockchain data, conduct transactions, build smart contracts, and run decentralized applications. Troman argued that blockchain and smart contracts can lead to innovation, lower operational costs, and new revenue streams, despite the bear market. As he has said, that Google Cloud has still seen strong demand from enterprises looking to integrate blockchain technology regardless of where we're at in the market cycle. Now, most of this demand has come from the TradFi sector to solve basic finance and accounting problems. But Google Cloud customers are increasingly looking at integrating blockchain-based solutions in digital identity and supply chain. Digital ID, in particular, has been a hot topic of debate in the Web3 world for late, with the recent launch of WorldCoin on July 24th, the Iris biometric cryptocurrency project that was founded by OpenAI's CEO Sam Altman in 2019. Troman, however, argues that blockchain tech won't likely see mass adoption, at least until user experience improves. Now, that's something I agree with tremendously because I've been preaching it for a long time. User experience is shit. That's something that needs to get a lot better. He's quoted saying, again, if the average end user who isn't a computer scientist, who doesn't understand blockchain, has to know about their private keys, we've got it all wrong. They have to be abstracted away. When you load the web browser, you're using a bunch of high-tech capabilities like TCP/IP, HTTPS. None of these protocols mean anything to most people. I would go as far as saying they don't mean anything to anybody. So he's suggesting that Web3 should strive for the same thing. Web3 developers will need to build frictionless solutions to help users recover private keys and help take care of their data for them to have a fantastic user experience. Or why would they use it? They won't understand it. When user experience is optimized, blockchain technology will solve problems in a range of industries. Again, quoted saying, when this technology is solving for payment, helping games have lower cost, or helping artists be more creative and get paid for their work so they can have careers but not actually have to know how the technology is functioning, that's critical, very, very important for the wide-scale adoption of technology. When Web3 hits mass adoption, we won't call it Web3, we'll just call it the web again. Exactly. He's hitting the nail right on the head. Again, this is what Google does best. They've pioneered the internet as of today. They understand how to make something frictionless. They know how to take a new technology and to integrate it properly. So what they're saying about Web3 is true. The user interface is really hard, whether you want to create an NFT, whether you want to monetize, whether you want to invest, whether you want to create a DAO or your own token solution, whether you want to use DeFi, you want to get a loan or use collateral lending, whatever thing you want to tap into is not an easy experience. And there's lots of ways to screw things up and lose your money. It happens all the time. It's happened to me. So the UI really needs to improve. I think he's hitting the nail on the head. And And yeah, that's where we're at with Web3. We got great tech. People don't know how to use it. That's why we're not at this point of mass adoption. So when we figure that out, bridge the gap, good things will happen. All right. Comment your thoughts down below, what you think about what James Tromans has said, the head of Web3 at Google Cloud. Like the video, share with someone that's also interested in this story as well. And make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you have, thank you so much. Really appreciate you guys. And we'll have another video out tomorrow. Cheers.